Resizing an image in the Canva mobile app is a very straightforward process. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you need to download the Canva application. If you're on Play Store, download it from the Play Store. If you're on App Store, you can download it for the Apple's Play Store. Now, after downloading it, you have to log into the Canva app. If you don't have an account, you can create an account in a very quick way. Now, launch the Canva mobile application. Open the design that contains your image that you want to resize. You can create a new design or choose an existing one. Tap on the image that you want to redesign. Tap on the image you want to resize. This will bring up the editing options at the bottom of the screen. You can resize the image by dragging the corners. Tap on the whole one to the corner or edges to the images, then drag it inwards and outwards to adjust the size. If you need to reposition the image after resizing, simply tap and drag the image that you want to position on the desired location. Once you're satisfied with the size and position of the image, tap on the check mark or done button to save changes. Now you are finished editing your design. Tap on the download icon or save it to your device, or you can directly share it to other social media apps. So this was a step-by-step guideline on how you can resize images on Canva mobile app to fit your design perfectly, and I'll see you in the next one.